Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very cool effect. Actually, I was doing something. This was just like I was trying something and this effect come up. So I thought let's create a tutorial on this because this looked really cool. So this is very simple. Just a single emitter that is rotating and with the particle, lots of particles. It's a GP particle, lots of particles are there. And that emitter is rotating with curl noise. That's it. So if I show you my emitter here, you can see this is the single emitter and this is the whole effect I have. So what I did, I'll put this original effect in my pattern so you can download, and let's create it again. So I'll create a Niagara and open this, and let's add a emitter plus maybe fountain. Okay, and where's my viewport? Drag this. Okay, so